Ready to supercharge your immune system naturally? Today we're diving into essential vitamins you need and delicious smoothie recipes to help you get them. Don't forget to check the comments for links to all our sources. Let's get started. Vitamin C is crucial for immune health. It helps protect cells from damage and supports the production of immune cells. You can get vitamin C from fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis. Incorporating these into a daily smoothie is an easy way to boost your intake. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant. It supports immune function by protecting cells from oxidative stress. You'll find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados, perfect additions to a creamy smoothie. Don't forget vitamin D. It's vital for activating immune defenses. While sunlight is the best source, you can also get it from fortified foods and supplements. Adding fortified almond milk to your smoothie can be a great source. Now, let's make an immunity-boosting smoothie. Here's a quick recipe. Add a cup of spinach, half a banana, a handful of strawberries, a tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and a cup of fortified almond milk. Blend it all together for a delicious, nutrient-packed drink that supports your immune system. Getting the right vitamins doesn't have to be complicated. Try incorporating these simple ingredients into your daily routine to keep your immune system strong. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and check out the comments for links to verify what we've shared. Stay healthy and happy blending.